Your home might look clean, but it could be filled with toxic items that are slowly harming your hormones, your lungs, and even your brain health. In this video, I'm going to expose the top 5 unexpected toxic items that are in your home. Let's go ahead and dive in, but before we do, I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and as always, it's a pleasure hanging out with you in another video that's going to be transformative to your health, and it's going to transform your health naturally. Now, this information is critically important, not only for your health, but your family's. First, I want to look at one of the toxic items many of us have in our home, and that's going to be scented candles and air fresheners. Though they may smell good, there's some real problems with them. They're going to be loaded with phthalates, formaldehyde, and synthetic fragrances. And what this means for your health is this: it can disrupt hormones, trigger lung issues like asthma, and it's going to pollute your indoor air quality. So a solution to this is going to be healthier style candles, like a beeswax candle, using essential oils and just opening the windows and letting some fresh air in. You know, it's so often that these types of items are gifted to my family, and as soon as I smell them, I immediately think toxic ingredients and I get them out of my house because they're not good for you. Let's look at the next big one. That's conventional cleaning products. This is something that my wife and I over the years have put a lot of effort into making sure that we had good quality cleaning products that weren't chemicals disrupting our health. Because a lot of the different cleaning chemicals out there have things like ammonia, chlorine, bleach. They also have ammonia compounds in them. And this is going to cause problems like respiratory issues, skin irritation, and endocrine disruption. And there's tons of different cleaning chemicals out there that are all involved with dragging your health down. So some really easy solutions to this is just switching to a non-toxic DIY cleaner, like something like vinegar and baking soda and essential oils. These are awesome. There's also a lot of great companies out there that are offering chemical-free cleaning products. So whether it's your laundry detergent, your dishwasher detergent, the products that you're cleaning your bathrooms with and your flooring, whatever it is, start switching to natural products here, because it's going to be very important to get these chemicals out of your home. It's a big problem we face today, is that too many chemicals in our environment, and our bodies were never meant to take on all the chemicals that are in our home, in our workplace, and even just in the air around us. Now, here's another big one. Mattresses and furniture with flame retardants. They contain something called polybrominated diphenyl ethers. And this is going to be a very persistent toxic chemical. It's associated with thyroid disorders, neurodevelopmental issues, and also cancer risk. Now, a solution to this is going to be finding like organic type of materials, and also different mattresses and couches and things that aren't full of flame retardants. And this does exist out there. And by the way, I am fully aware of how hard it can be to get away from all of these toxic chemicals. Matter of fact, I bet you that this shirt right here that I'm wearing has a ton of toxic chemicals in it that's going to get on my skin and is not good for me. Okay, we are aware of that in the healthcare field. And this is one of the reasons we do something like detox. Okay, in my clinic, we do a 90-day true cellular detox all the time. We focus on getting to the cellular level in order to remove toxins from the body. And this is important because we are coming across so many toxins, and our body was never meant to handle this. So as I'm going through these different items here, it is important to understand that I expect the unexpected occurrences to happen. That's why we're doing the best we can, especially in our own homes. But then also even going through the effort to get these toxins out through a real detox in order to be healthier ourselves. If we want to be healthy, we have to not only avoid the toxins, but get them out of our system. And if you want more information on that detox system that we use, that's a very deep detox over the course of 90 days. I'll put a link below in the description of this video. Now let's look at a level of toxic exposure that's probably one of the biggest offenders, and that's in your personal care products. It's estimated that the average female puts over 300 chemicals on her body before she even leaves the house in the morning, through lotions, shampoos, and deodorants that are going to be full of parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances. These are going to mimic your estrogen levels. They're considered xenoestrogens, and they mimic your estrogen and also create hormone balance. So a solution to this is actually going to the more natural ingredient products. Look at your shampoos, look at your lotions, because here's what happens. The skin is one of the largest organs on your body, and if you're covering that organ in chemicals, you are going to suffer from that eventually. And look how many women are suffering from thyroid problems and estrogen issues and so many problems. So Make sure that you're not covering your body in toxins. Very important. Let's also look at nonstick cookware. So when you go to the kitchen, we got some big problems in the kitchen. You want to get rid of nonstick pans because they contain forever chemicals, and they're going to leach in your food and cause a lot of problems, especially when heated. So they are linked to hormone disruption, immune suppression, and even cancer. Okay, this is a big deal. And yes, non-stick cookware is still being used regularly in homes today. A lot of the different pans that you're using and even home appliances like an air fryer is going to contain a lot of times this Teflon chemical that is awful for your health. So a solution is going to be switching to cast iron, stainless steel, or even ceramic cookware. Now, another big area, and this is going to be a bonus because I said there was only going to be 5 in this video, but another big area I want you to look out for is going to be food containers and water bottles, because the plastics contain BPA, BPS, microplastics, and this is all problematic, especially when heated. Many people are putting these things in microwaves, and this is problematic. So another big problem is that a lot of people will buy plastic containers and you'll see that BPA has been removed. The issue that you have with this is BPA is one of the plastic compounds that has been shown to be very detrimental to your health. Now, what these chemical companies do is that because they don't want to have BPA and because they know it's toxic, they just switch the ingredient to another variable of BPA, which is slightly off from it, that is going to be just as toxic, but yet it's not falling under BPA, so therefore it looks like it's a healthy form of plastic. But we know beyond the chemical problem there, the microplastic problem is enormous. You know, it's estimated people are consuming credit cards worth of plastic on a yearly basis because of the microplastics that are in everything anymore. So switching to glass and stainless steel, not storing your food in plastic containers, not drinking from it, is going to be hugely beneficial. And these are easy switches to make that dramatically improve your health over time. So here's the deal, as I mentioned before, you can't control all toxins, but you can control your home. So start swapping these 5 common offenders with safer alternatives to protect you and your family. And then even though we're going to come across this stuff, regardless of our efforts, we can still detox it out of our system. I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and if you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.